Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're test driving OLAPLEX No.0. I picked up this Try Me kit from my local beauty supply store, and I wanted to give it a try with you guys today. So, if you're interested in learning more about this product, stay tuned, stick around, and let's have some fun. If you're wondering what's coming inside of this box, it's OLAPLEX No.0 and a Try Me of the OLAPLEX No.3 Hair Perfector. So you're getting 5.2 ounces of the OLAPLEX No.0. See if I can get it to focus on there. So OLAPLEX No.0, 5.2 ounces. And it has a pretty cool little screw cap on here, so it's very easy to get on and off and super easy to use to apply. And then it comes with the Try Me size of OLAPLEX No.3 Hair Perfector. So this has got 1 fluid ounce in here. It's enough for maybe 1 or 2 times, depending on your hair. But it's a Try Me size so that you can give it a go if you've never tried OLAPLEX No.3 before. If you're wondering what this awesome little product does, I'm super excited to share that with you right now. According to OLAPLEX's website, OLAPLEX No.0 is a professionally inspired treatment that primes hair for deeper repair with the highest dose of patented OLAPLEX technology in any take-home product. So what does it do? It rebuilds the hair bonds, strengthens and protects the hair integrity. It primes the hair to absorb nourishment for a maximum repair. You use this as the first step in the 2-step process with No.3 Hair Perfector. How long should this one bottle last you? One bottle will give you about 3 to 6 applications depending on your hair length and density. Who is it for? Well, it's for everybody. However, you're going to notice the most change when you have visible damage. You're going to apply this product dry and fully saturate each section. So here are some of the cool things about the OLAPLEX No.0. It's for all hair types. It is pH balanced. It is vegan. It is cruelty free. It is gluten free. It is nut free. It is paraben free. And it is, I don't know what that last one is. Potato tots free? I'll put it on the screen. You figure it out. I don't know what that is. It's free of DEA, aldehydes, and all formaldehyde. Well, enough talking about it. Let's actually see this product at work. So I'm going to bring out my lovely model here. And she has been the model for many balayage classes. So she's got quite a bit of lightness going on. She's got some super white pieces that have been really over processed. She's got some oranginess in here. She's got a lot going on. She has been my balayage model for a lot of classes, and a lot of hands have balayaged this hair. So she has really been through it. So let's see if OLAPLEX No.0 as well as OLAPLEX No.3 and the 2-part system can really make a difference on this hair. So starting off, we're going to go ahead and give this a go with Miss Mannequin here. So I'm going to part everything out really quick. I'm not going to do her whole head. I really want to just kind of focus this on one side so you can see the kind of before and after results here. So I'm just going to clip this side away and work on this side where she has the most need for repair. So as you can see, the texture here and the texture back here is pretty similar. So I'm going to clip this away so that we have some unfinished hair that we can look at later and see kind of what the difference is. With my OLAPLEX No.0, I'm going to just go through and remove that cap off. And this is going on dry hair. And you're going to just lightly saturate. We're going to start up at the root. And just apply. And I really like to comb things through. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So it has a very fine, thin applicator. So you're not really putting, you're not really pushing that much product out of the container when you are doing this. But it's saturating really, really well. It's super fine mist on here. Or not mist, sorry, just a super fine stream. So I'm just going to really apply it at the root here and then kind of work this in, and if I need to add more, then I'm going to add more towards the bottom. But again, I feel like I'm not using very much product at all. I almost feel like I'm not doing enough, but as long as everything is nicely saturated, that's really all it needs. Alright, I'm going to pull down this last section here that we're going to be doing today and get it nice and saturated. Alright, so I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, that's 10 minutes. So now we're moving on to OLAPLEX No.0 Hair Perfector. We're going to go ahead and... Let's stop. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good. We got it. Okay. Anyway, okay guys, we're back now. 10 minutes has passed and we are moving on to OLAPLEX No.0 Hair Perfector. Her hair is still pretty damp. It actually feels way better than it did. It feels like it's already softened it some. So now we're going to go in with OLAPLEX No.0 Hair Perfector. I'm going to, get about that much in my hand. And I'm going to work it through this section. Now I really want to make sure, though I want to get this on everything, I want to make sure that the ends of her hair where she has the most damage is completely covered and really saturated, because that's where we need the most repair. And then I'm going to work the product in her hair up from there. So I'm just going to grab my comb and start working that product up her hair. You'll be able to see that the product is collecting on my comb. And then from there, I just keep moving it back up. So essentially it's kind of squeegeeing the excess off the hair, and then I just move it back up to the top and comb it through. So I have got her hair completely saturated now in OLAPLEX No.0 Hair Perfector. And so again, we're going on for another 10-minute processing, and I will be right back. Alright you guys, we are back from our 10-minute processing, and we are heading now to the shampoo bowl, or in this case, my kitchen sink, to do a quick shampoo and condition. And when we are done with that, we will be right back to do a little blow dry. So, I am super excited to see how this turns out. I can already feel so much more slip to the hair. It feels a lot better. So yeah, anyway, I will see you at the shampoo bowl, and we'll get her shampooed. Alright guys, we are back from the shampoo, and we're going to do a little blow drying. So, here we go. I don't have any product at home, so I'm just going to use a little bit of OLAPLEX No.0, the Hair Perfector. Just a tiny little bit of that. like maybe a pea-size amount, and use that to smooth through her in just a tiny little bit, just for a little control. But for the most part, we're going at it with nothing. So, like I said, just a tiny little bit. We're going to use that in there for just a little bit of control and slip. But beyond that, we are going in with nothing. Alright you guys, I just finished up that blow dry, and I mean to tell you that I am in love with the results of this product. I'm a little in shock at how much it did, and I really just can't tell you how much I think that this is a must-have if you are trying to grow out your hair, or if you're trying to heal some damage, or if you just are looking for the best hair of your life. It seriously is so good. Alright, I know what you came here for, and it's to see the results. So, let's take a look at what OLAPLEX No.0 as well as OLAPLEX No.3 were able to do for this dry, damaged hair. And spoiler alert, it's incredible. Alright you guys, here it comes. Let's go ahead and get you focused in over here on this hair. Look at that shine. Shine, bounce, it's incredible. I am not even, like, I am so impressed with this. I am so impressed. So pretty, look at that. The hair feels fantastic. It's so soft. I mean, I really am so impressed. This feels like a completely different head of hair. And I am just so happy with the results. Again, you guys, I don't know if you can see the shine, but that shine was not there before. This overprocessed hair feels so soft and so luxury. I'm so impressed. Again, you guys, I mean, we're not looking at the color here, we're looking at the shine on this overly processed hair, and it's incredible. I did not think that we were going to get this much shine back in the hair. I'm so impressed with the results of this product. If you are looking for a big change in your hair, if you need a boost for your hair, you need OLAPLEX No.0. As well as OLAPLEX No.3. It's a two-part system. But seriously, I can't get over how incredible this hair is. Let's cover me up again so it'll get in focus. Look at that. Ah, it's so good. Alright you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. I post videos every Sunday, and you don't want to miss the next one. I'll see you next Sunday. Bye guys. That came out pretty good.